Divide 552 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 5 and it is 15. 4 times 3 is 12. On subtracting we get 3. So again this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 2 and it is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. On subtracting we get 0. So 552 divided by 4 is 138. So this much for today and thanks for watching.